We are going to start this day with a new unit. So go to your science books on the page 66 and 67. So today we are going to start a new unit. Okay. Over here we have the new unit. So the unit for this today is the human machine. So if you remember, in the last unit, we learned about the environment, we learned about animals, evolutions, and so on. But in this unit, we are going to learn about the human machine. So we're going to learn about our body, our systems, how our bodies works, and so on. So the human body is able to perform a variety of movements that not other machines have been able to duplicate. So another machines like computers and robots cannot do the same movements of the same performance as us. Actions like jumping, standing, bending, and so on are movements that the human's body perform with the help of more than 200 bones and 600 muscles. So with the use of the bones and the muscles, we can move, which are like cables between the bones that work similarity to a lever in order to make the body to move. So over here we have, guys, that topic. And the first topic that we're going to learn is the sense and your surroundings. So remember, this is a topic for pre-garden. So it is an easy topic that you have many times to hear about this topic. So let me know, what are the 5 senses that we have in our bodies? What are those 5 senses? Okay, let's see. Ignacio, tell me, what is the first sense? The first sense?
Taste.
The taste. Excellent, the taste. Okay, another one. Another one, let's listen to another one, Ramon. Taste, what is another one?
Oh, miss, I don't know.
Okay, it's okay, don't worry. Another sense, Marvin? We have
Hearing.
another one?
Hearing.
Hearing, yes, hearing. We have taste, hearing. Excellent. Isaac, another one?
Touch.
Touch. Excellent. We have 3. Taste, hearing, touch. Excellent. Okay, Camila, another one.
Yes, miss.
We have three sense. We need 2 more. We have taste, hearing, touch. We are missing us.
Touch o el de los ojos, mis, ¿cómo era que se decía? Que no me acuerdo.
Sight.
Sight. Yes, sight.
Sight. Excellent. Sight is the one that we use with our eyes. Excellent. Carla, we are missing only one. What is the sense that we are missing? Carla, are you there?
Is the smell.
The smell,
Sense
yes.
of the smell.
The smell that we use our nose. Excellent. So that are, guys, our 5 senses. Okay, hearing, sight, smell, taste, and touch. Okay, so, but we're going to start working. And what do you know about the topic? Okay, what do you know about the topic? And the first part say, the human body has special organs that connects it with the environments. Write the name of the organ that allows you to perceive what surrounds you. So each sense has an organ. So you are going to help me with those organs that help us to perceive what is happening around us. Okay. Okay, wait me a little bit because that was the teacher's edition. Over here is student's edition. Okay, so over here you have 3 questions. You have 3 questions. The first one is, what structure allows you to perceive the flavor of a cake. So what organs in your body perceive the flavor of a cake? Tell me, Marvin, what is that organ? Let me activate your microphone, Marvin. Oh, there.
I remember, but in this moment I don't know.
What is that flavor that perceive, for example, that a cake is made of? It's made of vanilla.
Taste.
Yes, that is that sense. But what is the organ? What part of our body help us to taste?
The tongue.
The tongue, yes, excellent, the tongue. So write it over there, the tongue, excellent. The tongue help us to perceive if a cake is made of chocolate, if a cake is made of vanilla, and so on. Question number 2. Which organs allows you to hear music? Which organs allows you to hear music? Brian, which organ?
The ear.
Excellent, the ears. The ears allow us to hear music. So you write it over there, the ears. Excellent, the ears. Okay, the other question number 3. Which organ help you to perceive textures? If something is soft, if something is hard, which organ help us to perceive the textures? Jose Miguel?
The skin.
The skin, yes, excellent. The skin is the organ in charge or perceive the different textures that we have in many objects. Excellent. The skin. Excellent, guys. Only for remember, guys, that something that you can do to advance in homeworks is when you find the word glossary in your science books, you have to write those words in your notebook. So you're going to put glossary and you have to write those words in your notebooks, only for no. Okay, let me know if you finished to write the 3 organs that help us to perceive our environment. Okay, who finished? Okay, so we're going to start with this topic. All the organs that we have already mentioned are the sense organs, and they capture sensations. For example, the flavor of a cake, or for example, the texture of an object are sensations. And those sensations are captured by sending messages to the brain, sending messages to the brain. The brain transforms these messages into perceptions, and that make you feel good, comfortable, safe, or scared. These sensations can be odors, good odors or bad odors, images, light, flavors, textures, and also they can be sounds. So we're going to see a video, guys, about how we react to those things and how our body works with those things. Okay, over here we have a video, so pay attention to the video, guys, okay? as you see on the video, we respond to a stimuli, to different stimuli. So the sense are called sensory organs because they receive these sensations through special cells. So over here, we continue working about the cells. And those cells captures and process the stimuli from the environments. These cells are known, or are also named receptor cells, as they perceive different type of stimuli. In the eye, receptor cells can perceive colors and light. And through the skin, they are able to capture temperature, texture, and pressure. So we're going to right now work how those organs or those messages go from our organ cells through the brain. The first one is the stimuli. In the video, you see the first example that when you touch the stove, that it is very hot, pitching the temperature and the light are captured by the nerves endings that are located in the sense. So these blue things that you see over here are the nerves that are located on the nerves. So the information that it's something is very hot travels through a sensory nerve, and that reaches the nerve center. The nerve center, remember, is the brain and the spinal cord. So those messages reach from your hand, that it is touching something hot, to the brain and to the spinal cord. So after that, the muscles are in charge of generating voluntary or involuntary movements. The other thing is the nerve centers, that it is the brain, interpret that information. Remember, your hand is touching something hot. The messages is traveling through your hand, through the brain. So the nerve center, the brain, interpret that information and develop a message or develop a command. That message or that command travels again through the motor nerve and reach the muscles. And finally, the muscles are in charge of generating involuntary or voluntary movements. So that is how our bodies reacts to that. For example, we have another example. When someone else put it a light near to your face, what you did? You close your eyes, right? So, and you can control that? No, right? You cannot control that because that is an involuntary movement. Or also when someone else clapped you near to your face, what you did? You go back or you close your eyes. That's some involuntary movements. Another one is an example when you nod your knee, when you are sit down and you nod your knee, what your leg does. What your leg does when you are sitting and you touch your knee. What the legs do. What the leg does. Have you ever do that? What does the leg? Ignacio?
The leg goes to the front.
Yes, the leg goes to the front. And you can control that movement?
No.
No, that is an involuntary movement because you cannot control your leg when you are touching that.